Hi guys, we are going to work on the letter U today. And U says the sound And the way that we sign it is we put both of our fingers up like this, just straight up in the air. So let's see what is in our U can. So the very first thing is something that protects us from the rain. It's an umbrella. And I have also included some of these little umbrellas that I want you to glue on your big letter U. Okay, let's see what else we have in there. We have a horsey that has a horn, a unicorn. Unicorn starts with the letter U. It makes the other sound, U. And then we have the sea witch, Ursula. Ursula starts with the letter U. This one's kind of funny. This one is underwear. Underwear starts with the letter U. Underwear. And then this part is kind of cute too. So this is a cow, but there's a special part of the cow down here where the milk comes from, and that is called the udder. Udder. So let's say our U things. There's not too many things that start with the letter U. We have an udder on the cow. We have underwear. We have Ursula. We have unicorn. And we have umbrellas. Now we're going to talk about how to write the letter U. So we have our top line and our middle line and our bottom line. So for the letter U, for the big letter U, the capital U, we start at the top line, go all the way down, and come back up. Make a little half circle. And for the small letter U, we're going to do the exact same thing, only instead of starting all the way up here at the top, we're going to start right down here at the middle, okay? So we're going to start at the middle line, go down, and come up to the middle line again. So letter U's look the same, whether it's a capital letter or whether it's a lowercase letter, we write them the same. Just the uppercase letter, we start at the top, go all the way down, and then go back up. And the lowercase, we start at the middle spot and go down to the bottom line and then back up. So I want you to make sure to practice writing those letter U's. So I gave you those papers. Make sure that you practice doing one motion from the top all the way to the bottom for me, okay? All right. Now what we're going to do is we are going to read our letter U book. And this one is called Umbrella Bird's Umbrella. And look, he is called an umbrella bird because the part of his feathers that come up over the top of his head look just like an umbrella does. So let's see what happens. Umbrella bird is unlike any other bird. He has very unusual feathers. The other birds tease Umbrella Bird about his unusual feathers. They think his feathers look like a giant umbrella. Why is your umbrella up? The other birds ask Umbrella Bird. Is it going to rain today? They tease. That's not very nice. The teasing makes Umbrella Bird very unhappy. He tries to hide his feathers under a hat, but it's no use. His umbrella always pops up. One day, Umbrella Bird decides to visit his uncle. He hops on his unicycle and pedals uptown. Do you hear all of those U words? Unicycle, uncle, Umbrella Bird, uptown. Look at those ugly feathers, the other birds call as Umbrella Bird rides by. Umbrella Bird pretends not to hear them. He looks up at the sky and keeps on pedaling. Uh-oh, says Umbrella Bird. He sees dark clouds way up high. Suddenly it begins to pour, but Umbrella Bird notices that he is not getting wet. Umbrella Bird's umbrella is keeping him dry. The other birds look for a dry place. Umbrella Bird calls to them, "Come down under my umbrella. It's dry under here," he says. See all the rain, and underneath Umbrella Bird, it's dry. Quickly, quickly, says Umbrella Bird, as the other birds duck under his feathers. The birds stay under Umbrella Bird's umbrella until the rain stops. All the birds thank Umbrella Bird. Your wonderful umbrella kept us dry, they said. We're sorry we upset you with our teasing. We wish we had umbrellas just like you. Now Umbrella Bird holds his head up high when he rides out riding his unicycle. And sometimes Umbrella Bird even wishes for a little bit of rain. Let's see if we can find the things that start with the letter U. So first of all, I see Umbrella Bird right there. And then I see that he is on a bicycle that only has one wheel. That's called a unicycle. Unicycle. So that starts with the letter U. And then all of these birds have a shirt that has a number on him. That is called a uniform. When you play on a team, you get a uniform. And then right here, we have an umbrella that I see. Let's see if we see anything else. Oh, up here, way up in the top. I don't know if you can see it. That is a unicorn. Looks like we've got quite a few things that start with the letter U. So we have an umbrella, and we have a uniform, a unicorn, another umbrella bird on a unicycle. And those are a lot of things that start with the letter U. I want you guys this week to go outside or to look through books, or if you're watching a movie, I want to see if you guys can come up with 5 things that start with the letter U that either make the sound or the U sound like a unicorn. See what you guys can find, okay? Make sure to tell me. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.